As you can see right here on the screen, this is a 1000 USDT position airdrop from Bybit that you can get right now, and you have 46 days left to be able to claim this airdrop for yourself. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about this airdrop, how to get into it, the tax you need to do, and also how you can make money from this airdrop. So without wasting your time, let's go straight to the point. Now, the first thing I want to tell you is that you still have up to 46 days left to be able to participate and claim this airdrop for yourself. So I think that's still a very long time for you, and it is just one task you are completing. It is just one task you are doing to be able to get this 1000 USDT position airdrop for yourself. Now let's go into all the details. Now you can see right here, it says new users registered under this affiliate ID during the event will stand a chance to receive a position airdrop. Now choose from SPCX USDT, GOOGL USDT, Metal USDT, and NVDA USDT. Now what does this mean? Number one, this 1000 USDT position airdrop is for Bybit new users or new users on Bybit. Now, if you are not a new user on Bybit, I have another position airdrop that you can get for yourself, which I'll be talking about later in this video. So I want to start with the one for the new users. So don't go away whether you're a new user or an old user on Bybit, because everything I'll be talking about in this video is very important for you. Now, like I was saying, the first thing about these two sentences right here is that number one, it is for new users registered under this affiliate ID. So this means that if you want to get this airdrop, you must register with the link in the description below. So just go ahead, click on the link in the description below. It will bring you to this page you are seeing right here on the screen. Now, from the second sentence where you can see choose from SPCX USDT and so on. Now, what this means is that for this airdrop, this 1000 USDT position airdrop you'll be given is like a capital they are giving you. Now, you can use that capital to trade any of these trading pairs right here. You can see any of these 4 trading pairs. You can use this 1000 USDT airdrop to trade any of the 4. Now, whatever profit you make from any of those 4 is what you can withdraw for yourself. So let's, for example, I get this 1000 USDT after completing the task. Then I can go ahead to trade any of these 4 pairs. And let's, for example, I made maybe $200. That $200 profit is for me. So it is as simple as that. So like I was saying, click on the link in the description below. It will bring you to this page. Now, once it brings you to this page, come here and click on register to claim. So you can just come here, click on register to claim. Now, once you click on it, it will show you the screens. Now, the first thing is to pick where you live. So you can see Nigeria for me. So once you've done that, come here and click on create account. And right here on the screen, you can see it says you're invited to Bybit. Then you come here and put in the email address you want to use to create your Bybit account. And you can see right here, it must be showing this referral code, which is 41557, because that is what will determine whether you'll be eligible for this airdrop or not. So after you put in your email address, just come right here and create an account, and that is all. Now, once you created your account, you now need to complete the airdrop task so that you can be able to get the 1000 USDT airdrop. Now, what is this airdrop task? Let me show you. So you come here, scroll down. So you can see right here, this is the airdrop process. Now, the first thing is to complete the airdrop task, which you will see in your rewards hub. Now, where are you going to see this rewards hub on your Bybit account? Now, if you are using the web version, which is what I'm using right now, once you've created the account and you've logged in with your new email address, just come to the top of the screen where you have these menus right here and click on more. Now, under more, you say you have rewards hub. Now, if you click on it, it will show you the tasks that you need to complete to get this airdrop. Remember, it is only for new users. And if you are using your mobile phone, let me show you how to get to the rewards hub page. So you can see right here on the screen, this is the home page of my Bybit app. So I'm logged in on the app right now. So if you want to get to your rewards hub page, let's say for example you're a new user and you've logged in into the mobile app, just come here on the home page. You see you have rewards hub. It will be in one of these menus right here on the home page. So this is my own here. It is the first one. And in case you are not seeing your own right there, in case you are not seeing rewards hub right there, just come here to where you have more. So click on more right here. And then if you come here under recommended, you will see where you have rewards up. So just click on it and to take you to the rewards up page where you will see the tasks you have to complete. So that is how you can get to the rewards up page, whether you are using the web version or the mobile app. Now, I'm not a new user, so I won't be able to see any tasks in my own rewards up. But if you are a new user, here's the tasks you are going to be seeing. I'll put it right here on the screen. Now, the simple task you have to do, as you can see right here on the screen, is to just deposit the minimum of $100 into your Bybit account. Now, once you do that, you're eligible to get the 1000 USDT position airdrop for yourself. Now, this $100 you'll be depositing, they are not taking it from you. It is your money. They are not using it for anything. You can still withdraw it anytime later, but it is just a task you have to complete so that you can get the 1000 USDT position airdrop. And like I said, the way it works is that once you get the airdrop, you can use it to trade any of these 4 market pairs. And once you trade any of them and you make profit, the profit is what you can withdraw. So again, if you make maybe $200, $300, you can withdraw the profit for yourself. I hope you get it. So you can see right here again, the airdrop process says, number 1, complete the airdrop task in Rewards Hub. I've shown you how to get to the Rewards Hub. Now, once you complete the task, you can see right here, the next thing says claim airdrop voucher in Rewards Hub. So again, once you completed the task, you have to wait for some time and then you go back to the Rewards Hub page and you'll be seeing the airdrop voucher right there. So just go ahead and click on claim and you claim it. That is number 2. Now, number 3 is to use the airdrop voucher on trading page. So like I said earlier, once you claim the airdrop voucher of 1000 USDT, just go to the trading page and trade any of these 4 pairs right here. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, I'm on the Bybit app again. And if you want to go ahead and start trading with the 1000 USDT position airdrop that you just got, just come right here to the bottom side of the screen and come here to where you have trade file. Don't come here to trade, no trade. Just come here to where you have trade file and click on it. Now, once you click on it, make sure that you're on futures, not CFD. So you have futures and then you have CFD. So make sure you are on futures right there. Now, once you get to this futures page, that's when you can now go ahead and search for the trading pair you want to trade. Now, don't forget that you are only to choose from these 4 trading pairs right here on the screen. So you have SPCX, Google, Meta, and NVDA. I can trade all the 4, whichever one, but don't trade another pair outside these 4 pairs. Very, very important. So once you get to this page and you want to pick the trading pair, you can see this one right here is Tesla, that's TSLA USDT. It is not part of the 4 trading pairs. So you want to search for one of the 4, just click on this drop down arrow, then come here to the search bar and search for the one you want to trade. So let's say, for example, out of the 4, let's say I want to trade Meta USDT. So just search for Meta right there. So you can see it, this is it, Meta USDT. So just go ahead and click on it. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, you can see right here, isolated, and then come here to where you have leverage. So you can pick the leverage that you want. You have from 1x leverage to 100x leverage. So once you pick your leverage, you come here to where you have order value. So you can put your order value right here. So your order value divided by your leverage is what will give you the amount you have to use for the trade. So let's say, for example, out of your $1000 USDT airdrop, you want to trade with, let's say you want to trade with $500. So what you just need to do is to calculate this 10x multiplied by 500. So 10 times 500 is 5,000. So come here and put in 5,000. So you can see for 5,000, the cost you are using is $505. So that means that you are trading with $505, which is approximately $500 right there. So it means that the $500 is just taken from your $1,000 position airdrop. That's just the meaning. So again, if you want to know the value to put here, it is just the amount you are dropping from your own capital multiplied by the leverage. So how can we get the calculation right there? So let's say, for example, you want to trade with $100. It will be 100 times 10, which is 1,000. So you change this 5,000 to 1,000, and you can see the cost is $100. So it means that you are just trading with $100 out of the 1000 USDT airdrop. It's as simple as that. So once you trade them, the next thing is to take profit. So maybe you make profit $100, $200, then you can see right here the profits are withdrawable. So you can see it is stated right there. So it is not as if they are deceiving you or they are trying to make you create an account. No, it is actually withdrawable. So that is exactly how it is. But before you go, let me talk about the terms and conditions, because this part is very, very important, because a lot of you might not get this airdrop if you don't listen to this part of this video. Now let's go ahead and talk about the terms and conditions. Now, number 1 is that the position airdrop will be unlocked after completing the airdrop task in rewards. Or obviously, like I've said earlier, it is when you've done the airdrop task, that is when you can unlock the 1000 USDT position airdrop for yourself. So you need to complete the task first. Now, number 2 says position airdrops are limited and given out on a first come first served basis within 5 days of completing the airdrop task. So what this means is that once you've completed the airdrop task, you need to wait for up to 5 days to be able to get the 1000 USDT position airdrop. So let's say, for example, you complete the airdrop task today, just wait for the next 5 days, or you can be checking it every day until 5 days. You will definitely see the airdrop in your rewards hub. And also it's stated there that it is first come first served, but you can still get it right now. Like I said, you still have up to 46 days left. So that is it. Now for number 3, it says 1 position airdrop per account per event. So what this means is that you cannot use multiple accounts to get this position airdrop. No, you only need 1 account account. So if they say that you're trying to use 2 accounts with the same details to actually get this airdrop, you will definitely not be getting it. So take note of that. And number 4 is that sub accounts are not eligible for the event. So you don't need to create any sub account to get this. So don't go ahead and create any sub account. Just click on the first link in the description below. It will bring you to this page. Click on register to claim and then go ahead and register your account. So like I showed you earlier, pick your country, enter your email address, and that is all. So don't go ahead and create any sub account. Number 5 says Bybit reserves the right to disqualify any users who engage in dishonest or abusive activities during the event. And they've said things like bulk account registrations to claim additional positions and so on like that. So you can see all of that. So if you are doing that, they will not be able to give you the position airdrop. Number 6 says Bybit reserves the right to final interpretation of the position airdrop event. Number 7 says position airdrop vouchers can only be used in isolated margin mode. Take note of this, please. And then number 8, which is the last one, says starting December 30, 2024, EEA users will no longer be able to register for event or receive rewards. So these are the EEA countries right here. So if you're a user in any of these countries, you cannot participate in this position airdrop. So you can check the countries right here. Most of them are European countries, by the way. So you can check them. And if your country is part of that, you cannot be able to participate in this. So that is all for this video. I've just shown you how you can get 1000 USDT position airdrop to be able to trade and withdraw the profits that you make from that. You can even see it like a profit account where they actually give you capital to trade and then you withdraw the profit for yourself. But for this one, you're not paying anything. Like I said, the $100 you'll be depositing, which is the airdrop tax, is still your money. They are not taking it from you. It is your own. And please, before I go, thank God I remembered. You can see right here, it says position airdrops are limited and given out on a first come, first served basis within 5 days of completing the airdrop tax. Now, what does this mean? Now, please, once you deposit the $100, which is the airdrop tax, please don't try to withdraw it or take out of it within the first 5 days. Please, let it be there throughout the first 5 days. You can even leave it for more. I will advise that you even do that. You can leave it for maybe 10 days, 20 days, or even 1 month. I would advise that you just leave it in the wallet and go ahead and be trading with the 1000 position airdrop they give you. And after you withdraw your profit, then you can say you want to withdraw your $100. Please, like I said again, they are not taking your $100 from you. It is still your money. But please, just to make sure that you actually receive the position airdrop, don't withdraw it within the first 5 days. So I just remembered that and I thought that you just mentioned it, which is very, very important. So that is the 1000 USDT position airdrop for new users on Bybit. Now, for existing users on Bybit, that is, if you already have an account on Bybit, you also have the chance for another position airdrop. And here it is, your own is 500 USDT position airdrop. Yes, you have the chance to actually get out of this airdrop right now. And I'll be showing you how to actually get this in the next video. I don't want to mix it together in this video. So please come back 12 hours after this video goes live. So once this video goes live, just wait for the next 12 hours. I'll drop the video on how to get this 500 USDT position airdrop for existing users on Bybit. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and please don't forget to like this video and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified when the video is out. So that is it for this video. If you need any guidance or you have any question, please ask me in the comment section below. I'll be replying to all your comments. And if you want to be sure of how to get this, maybe you don't want to make any mistake, please go ahead and drop a comment below. I'll make sure I guide you in the comment. And don't forget, you can only be eligible if you are using the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.